Welcome to the very first Shangri-La Hotel in the world, opened in 1971, and also my very first stay at a Shangri-La Singapore. Let's take a look at our room. Our room was located on the third floor. Interestingly, because the hotel is built on the hillside, our room was actually on the same level as the lobby. Pretty convenient. The hotel is made up of 3 wings. The first one is the tower wing, the original, renovated in 2017, now featuring themed family rooms that are perfect if you are traveling with little ones and want something extra special. Second, garden wings, refurbished in 2012. This wing was my favorite. The lush garden design sets it apart from a unique and a tranquil vibe. Third, the valley wings, a more exclusive experience with its own dedicated entrance and reception area. We booked our stay through Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts, and we're lucky to receive an upgrade to the garden wing. Now let's explore the hotel grounds. This is The Line, the hotel's main restaurant where we enjoy both dinner and breakfast. This property is incredibly family friendly with a massive kids playground and plenty of open space. The garden in the garden wings are, in my opinion, the most beautiful part of the entire hotel.